In this video, we'll walk through how to sign up for a YouTube Premium membership, your different membership options, and all the benefits that come with those plans. Here's how to sign up for a premium membership. First, check that YouTube Premium is available in your country or region by going to youtube.com/premium. From here, you can sign up for a free 1-month trial if you're new to YouTube Premium. Otherwise, click Get YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium offers 3 paid membership options to help amplify your watch experience: Premium, Premium Lite, and Music Premium. Let's take a look at the benefits that you get with each plan to help you find the right membership for you. On top of an ad-free experience, a premium membership also gives you access to several other exclusive features that enhance your experience on YouTube. Enjoy music on the YouTube Music app ad-free, offline, and on the go. Use the app to download your favorite songs, artists, albums, and podcasts to enjoy anytime. Uninterrupted viewing with the ability to download videos to watch offline and play videos in the background. And other features like Continue Watching, which lets you watch videos right where you left off. Queuing, which lets you set up videos to watch next on your mobile device. And Jump Ahead, which gives you the ability to get to the content you care about faster. An improved watch experience with video playback with an enhanced bitrate version of 1080p, and higher quality audio that lets you listen at 250 kilobits per second. As a premium member, you'll also have access to your premium benefits page. This page highlights everything your membership offers all in one place. Use this page to sign up for early access to new and experimental features. See the article in the description for a full breakdown of benefits that come with the premium membership. Premium Lite is a lower price membership that lets you watch YouTube and YouTube Kids with fewer interruptions. As a Premium Lite member, you'll enjoy ad-free viewing on most videos, including content categories like gaming, fashion, beauty, news, and more. Ads may appear on music content, shorts, and when you search or browse. Note that music content refers to any video focused on music, such as official music videos, covers, or dance clips. Premium Lite members can also download and play most non-music videos offline and in the background. Premium Lite isn't available in all countries or regions. To see if it's offered in your area, check out the article linked in the description. Finally, Music Premium lets you listen to more than 300 million tracks ad-free in the YouTube Music app. With Music Premium, you can download music and podcasts offline to listen on the go or play in the background for an uninterrupted experience in the YouTube Music app. You'll also get access to features like Ask Music, a feature that allows you to turn your thoughts into the perfect mix by simply describing what you want to hear. Note, the premium membership includes all the benefits of a Music Premium membership. With any of the YouTube Premium memberships, you may still see branding or promotions embedded in videos or podcasts by creators. To learn more about the benefits that come with the YouTube Premium membership and your options, check out the articles in the description. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.